Well, Owen, we here in Germany have prepared very well for this outbreak. We have lots of toilet paper. We have great health care. As the World Health Organization, I must tell you that you are not prepared. You must lock people in their houses and keep them away. You must take appropriate precautions. This is a serious disease and it will affect you for many, many months. Thank you, World Health Organization, but you know that Germany is worlds ahead of places like the United States of America. Ha!
Oh shit, man, get your guns, shit's going down. Oh my god, get your guns, everybody. Run away, get your guns, buy the toilet paper. Mine.
Oh, you Americans! Always making a mess of everything! No! Everybody stop! This is the World Health Organization! This is a real fucking big deal! You all must get your shit together and stay in your goddamn houses! Put the homeless people in the hotels! Conscript everyone to serve food! Bring medicine to people! This is not a joke, people!